In this video, I'll show you how to use the Cow AI app as a beginner and walk you through the setup step by step. Once you open the Cow AI app, tap on Get Started. The app will first ask for some basic information. Start by selecting your gender, then tap Continue. Next, choose how many workouts you do per week. Select the option that best matches your routine, for example, 3 to 5 workouts per week, and continue. After that, you'll be asked where you heard about the app. You can select something like friends or family and move on. The app will then ask if you've used any calorie tracking apps before. Choose No if this is your first time. After that, enter your weight and height. If you use kilograms, you may need to quickly convert to pounds. Once done, tap Continue. Next, enter your date of birth and continue. Now you'll choose your goal, such as maintaining weight, losing weight, or gaining weight. Select your goal and move forward. The app will then ask what's stopping you from reaching your goals. You can choose options like a busy schedule or lack of meal inspiration. After that, select whether you follow a specific diet. If not, you can choose the classic option. You'll also be asked what you want to achieve, such as boosting energy and mood. Select your preference and continue. At this point, you can connect the app to Apple Health if you'd like. Allow the permissions and move forward. Next, choose whether you want calories burned to be added back to your daily goal. You can select yes or no depending on your preference. You'll also be asked about rolling over extra calories. Choose the option that suits you best. For notifications and referral codes, you can skip these if you don't want to set them up right now. Once that's done, tap Continue to generate your custom plan. The app will now create a personalized nutrition plan based on your details. You'll see your daily calorie target along with protein, carbs, and fat recommendations. Tap Get Started to begin. Using the app is simple. Whenever you eat something, just use your camera to scan your meal. Cow AI will automatically detect the calories and help you track your daily intake. And that's it. Once everything is set up, the app is very easy to use. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.